This is the JUFUD2Y 330 watt electric food warming mat in blue. This was sent to me for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. Came with some pretty nice packaging here. And inside the packaging, you are going to get the mat itself, the instructions, which you should always read through, a really decent length 6-foot long cable, a silicone strap for when you roll it up to store it, and you actually get a nice bag that you can store it away in. So mats like these are great for keeping your food warm, and if you want, they're great for keeping your food warm at a certain temperature for an extended period of time. This tray itself is made from silicone. You can see right here. At first, when I first saw this, I thought these were metal bars because of the way the pictures look, but it's just, it's all silicone all the way around it. So it's easy to clean when you're done. Just wipe it down. And it is also foldable and easy to store on a shelf or under a counter. And with the bag they gave us, it's easy to transport if you want to take it to a gathering or an event. Simple to use, you just plug the cable in right here. The heat that it puts out covers the entirety of the mat, which is roughly 20.5 inches by about 14.5 inches this way, rough size. And I'll show you some plates and dishes on here to give you a better idea of the overall size of the mat. Just want to go over the controls here real quick. So obviously you've got a power button when you want to turn it on. And every time you turn it on, it automatically starts at the lowest temperature setting, which is 104 degrees. So it warms up to there. It has a child safety lock on here. You press and hold this for 3 seconds to turn it on or off. It heats up to 9 different preset temperatures, going from 104 degrees all the way up to 248 degrees. When it heats up, it is hot to the touch, so you're going to want to be careful there. And another thing I like is that it has an auto shut-off timer feature on here that goes from 0 to 6 hours. Just to give you an idea of the size of this right here, this is a 10.5 inch large size dinner plate, and this is about an 8.5 inch bowl. 10-inch paper plate on here and a 6-inch paper plate. You can see how you can mix and match and get everything you need on here. Simple as that. When you're done, you just power it off, unplug it, wipe it down. The cable back in here. Just fold it up like this. Got this little silicone strap on here. Snap it shut. Put it back in its case. It's stored away for the next time. And there you go. A warming tray like this would be great for daily use. For things like defrosting items. I was thinking about that. Steak, chicken, all kinds of stuff you can defrost on here. This would be obviously great for family gatherings, parties, events, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.